Hi, we are solving problems as part of trigonometry transformations. So let's look at this problem. If cos x plus cos y equal to 4 by 5 and cos x minus cos y equal to 2 by 7, find what is the value of 14 tan x minus y by 2 plus 5 cot x plus y by 2. So what I have to prove is having x plus y by 2 and x minus y by 2. That means I have to apply formula on this and convert this trigonometric ratio addition into, transform them into products. Then if I divide them, I should be able to get something like what we need to do. So first let me take this one. This is in the form of cos c plus cos d. Now what is the formula for that? 2 cos c plus d by 2, that is x plus y by 2, cos c minus d by 2, that is x minus y by 2. This is nothing but equal to 4 by 5. Now let me divide this. Let me divide this with the second equation, that is cos x minus cos y, that is nothing but minus 2 sin x plus y by 2. You remember this cos c minus cos d equal to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2, sin c minus d by 2. Pretty simple once we realize that we have to convert that into this format. Now what is this? 2 by 7. Now let's simplify this. 2 cancels. Cos by sin is cot x plus y by 2. So I have 1 cot x plus y by 2. So I should be fine. That is cot x plus y by 2 into, another thing I have is cot x minus y by 2 equal to minus of 4 by 5 into 7 by 2. That is nothing but minus 14 by 5. We seems to be reaching. Now I have to have tan x minus y by 2. So this is nothing but equal to, minus 14 by 5. If I do cross multiplication, what happens? 5 into cot x plus y by 2, and I can bring cot x minus y by 2 this side. This becomes minus 14 tan x minus y by 2. This is nothing but equal to, if I bring right hand side to the left hand, I will get 14 tan x minus y by 2 plus 5 cot x plus y by 2 equal to 0. This is what we have to prove. So how to solve these type problems? Whenever you given two equations and you see something in x minus y by 2 and x plus y by 2, directly apply the transformation on them and convert them into products, then simplify. You should be able to get them mostly by dividing. Okay? Thanks for visiting. See you in the next video. We'll solve some more problems.